My name's Josh Callaghan of Fletcher's on the Southern Peninsula, and I'm so excited to showcase this absolutely stunning Blairgowrie back beach property. And we find ourselves standing here right now at this beautiful beach, the Pierce Road back beach, right at the end of this quiet cul-de-sac. Come and take a look through. There's so much to love about this beautiful back beach property. From the front fence to the rear, the block is totally flat. When you walk into the home, there's certainly a warming, welcoming ambience about the property. Located in one of the most sought after streets in Blairgowrie, this ground level property set on just over 1,100 square metres of land has been professionally landscaped and offers 3 double-sized bedrooms plus a study, including master bedroom with full ensuite, and the property is finished with high quality fixtures and fittings throughout. There's a gorgeous natural tone kitchen with loads of bench space and a large butler's pantry. A Scandinavian-inspired design, the house is flooded with natural light. Clean coastal lines which easily open out to some beautiful outdoor entertaining areas, including a fully fenced front yard, an amazing fire pit area with elaborate vegetable garden, an Italian-inspired pizza oven area, a quality in-ground concrete pool, and a gorgeous and separate in-ground spa in a rustic native setting. Thanks for taking the time to view this very special Blairgowrie coastal property. We look forward to seeing you at one of the scheduled open homes, or to arrange a private viewing, please contact us using the details provided.